very good morning to all. Welcome back to our English class. Yesterday we have read the story about lesson 2 about the tale of a mountain. So this tale is not a tale of a monkey or a cat. This is tale means story. I told you already. A tale is a story. The lesson is about a story of a mountain. Why this mountain is sad and why this is alone we have learned in our previous class. So this mountain, once upon a time there lived a tallest mountain. This is the tallest mountain in the whole world. This mountain is very tall and it do have a few friends, but it do have a friend. Who is that? Yeah, it is clouds, because this mountain is very high. The mountains are very tall. Nobody can reach there. Only the clouds can reach the tip of the mountain. The mountain tickled the clouds. What happened when somebody tickles us? What we do? We get laughter, so much of laughter, and even after a lot of laughing, sometimes teardrops come from our eyes. In the same way, the clouds also, after so much of laughing, they get tears from their eyes, and that ice sometimes reaches to the earth as rain. So after was so longer and the summer came, so no clouds are there. The mountain felt very sad. Oh, where are my friends? Like that. It felt very sad. And after so much of loneliness and longer day, it asked his cloud's mother that, who is that? Sky. It asked Sky, why don't you allow your children to play? But the Sky said that they went to the winter kingdom. They won't come here. They will come after the end of this summer. So this mountain felt very sad. It felt very sad, and it is saying, oh, I will be also going to there, to the winter kingdom. And the Sky is saying, no, you can't go there, because you are not lighter than, you are not lighter like clouds. You are very heavy. You can't go, you can't move from one place to another. So the mountain become very sad. Oh, why I have to stay alone? Why I have to be in the same place? It is feeling like that. It is feeling like that. So, and the sky said, no, you can't go to there. You will have to stay here only. It said. So let us see after that what happened to the mountain, and did it become alone or did it get any friends? Let us go through our lesson and we will see there. Take out your textbook, page number 18, section 2. Tears began to flow like rivers down the mountain's faces. For the first time in its life, the mountain cried. Even as it cried, the wide and cracked plains below drank the flowing water thirstily. And before the end of the day, the cracks in the soil had healed. The plain became fresh and green. So what happened here? What happened? The clouds, they went to the winter kingdom, and this mountain is very sad and it is crying continuously. After crying that, what happened? For the first time in the life of a mountain, it is crying continuously. What happened? The dried land and cracked plains all became very nice. It looks so nice to see there because of the crying of the mountains. The land became so greenery, and the lakes, everything filled with water. The plain called out to the mountain, oh, kind mountain, thank you for saving me from a terrible fate. Your water is so pure that it has healed all my wounds. Look at how much it has changed in me. So, after what happened, the plain became fresh and green. The land of water plain, so the plain became fresh and green. So, after some time, the plain is talking to the mountain that, oh, kind mountain, thank you for making me. Thank you for healing all my wounds. See how, that means the land is so cracked there. So the plain, after weeping of this, after the crying, that means the water from the mountains, the land became so fresh and green. The plains, so the plain is thanking to the mountain that, thank you for everything. Because of you, today I have I healed all my cracks in the body, and now see how look at me, how I am. It is saying and thanking to the banking to the mountain. Because of that mountain, this plane changed. The mountain was so surprised that it stopped crying. Until then, nobody had even spoke to it. So the mountain felt very happy after hearing the plane's talking, and it was so surprised to see that the plane is there. So the sky whispered that, now see, you have also friends. No, the only thing is you have to find out. That means, what is the moral of the story? What we are learn from this story is we have to see around us, people around us. We have to observe all the things.